Hello students, now in this video we will discuss about earth magnetism. First point, that is geomagnetism. What is geomagnetism? Geomagnetism, when we study the magnetism of earth, then the branch of physics is called geomagnetism. We all know that earth also behaves like a magnet. South pole is near north geographical pole, and magnetic north pole is near geographical south pole. Okay, we know that earth behave like a magnet, but origin of earth's magnetism means how earth become a magnet. We all know that when any charged particle is rotating, it behave like a dipole, means magnetic field will be in this direction, means this side will maybe north or south, and other side will behave opposite, means south. Means any charged particle or current is moving in a moving or rotating, then it will behave like a magnet. Same here in the core of earth. This is earth and this is the core. In the core we know that there is a materials in molten form like iron and nickel, and iron, nickel and more molten substances, but the materials which are rotating in the core is in the form of ions. Means they behave like a charge, means the charge is rotating in the earth's core. That means it will behave like a magnet. This is the origin of earth's magnetism. Origin of earth's magnetism is what? That is due to the rotation of ions in the earth's core. Okay, now some basic definition regarding earth magnetism, that is geographic axis. You already know from I think class 8th. Geographic axis is what? The axis about which the earth is rotating, and that axis of rotation is called geographic axis. Simple. And now magnetic axis. What is magnetic axis? This is the magnet. This is not actual magnet, but it is assumed that there is a magnet. This is a large magnet. Okay, and this axis along the assumed magnet, and that axis is called magnetic axis. Okay, now a magnetic equator. What is magnetic equator? Okay, let us suppose this is earth and this is the south and this is north pole. When we draw a circle on the surface of the earth, this circle is on the surface of earth means surface of the ball, and it is also perpendicular to the magnetic axis. This is not a geographic equator, but the greatest circle, the greatest circle drawn on the earth surface, that is perpendicular to the magnetic axis, that is called magnetic equator. Simply great circle that is perpendicular to the magnetic axis is called magnetic equator. Now same like magnetic equator, there is a geographical equator or geographic equator. Simple, very simple. If this is geographic axis about which the earth is rotating, and the great circle on the surface on the surface of the earth that is perpendicular to the geographic axis is called geographic equator. Hope you are understanding. Now this portion, this point, the point on the axis and also on the earth's surface, that is called the pole. And because this is geographical axis, that's why this is called geographical pole. This is geographical north pole, and this is geographical south pole. Sorry, magnetic south pole. This is magnetic axis now. That's why this is magnetic south pole, and this is magnetic north pole, and this is geographic, because this is geographic axis, this is geographic south pole. Hope you are understanding. Now this point, magnetic meridian. Magnetic meridian is what? Meridian means plane, a plane. Both meridian, magnetic meridian and geographic meridian. Meridian means plane. Which type of plane? Plane. This is magnetic axis. The plane that are passing through the poles, these poles, magnetic north and south poles. All the planes that are passing through the poles. Okay, if you take a plane like that, this is not a magnetic meridian. Okay, but if you take any plane that is passing through the poles, like if this is the axis and this is the plane, this will be the magnetic meridian. This is also magnetic meridian, this is also magnetic meridian, this is also magnetic meridian. Okay, these all planes that is passing through these two poles is called magnetic meridians. Okay, now geographic meridian, same. If this is geographic axis and planes that are passing through the geographical axis, all the planes that are passing through the geographical axis is called geographical meridian or geographic meridian. Okay, the planes that are passing through the magnetic poles, the planes that is called magnetic meridian, and similarly the planes that are passing through the geographic axis, then the planes is called geographic meridians. Okay, now when we place a magnetic needle here, the magnetic needle will be along the magnetic field of the earth. Okay, when we place magnetic needle here, it will be like that, it will be like that, it will be like that, means the needle will rotate itself according to the direction of the earth's magnetic field. Hope you are understanding, and thanks for watching.